Good morning, leaders. I am Jenemy Daria, and my report for today is about factors in food habit. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, learners will identify and explain the various factors that influence individuals and community food habits, including anong include dito sa i-share ko sa inyo ngayon is about cultural, social, economic, psychological, environmental, and even technological elements in order to promote better understanding and encourage healthier eating practices. Food habits. What is food habits? It refers to the way in which individuals or groups select, prepare, and consume food. These habits are shaped by a variety of factors that influence not only personal preferences but also cultural, social, environmental behaviors related to food consumption. First is the cultural factors. Culture plays a significant role in determining food habits, like yung traditional beliefs, yung mga religious practices, and regional customs often dictated what is acceptable or taboo in terms of food. For example, is this certain cultures avoid pork or beef due to religious restrictions. 'Di ba? May mga friends tayo na mga brothers tayo na mga Muslims, hindi sila kumakain ng pork. And yung iba naman na ang mga INCs and Christians, they are prohibiting eating bloods then. Social factors. Family traditions, peers, influence, and social gatherings affect food choices. Children often adopt eating patterns on their parents, while teenagers and adults may be influenced by friends or social trends. So, yung mga bata pa, habang bata pa, na-adapt nila kung ano yung mga pagkain sa bahay na hinahain ng nanay nila. While yung mga teenagers, yung mga malalaki na, they adapt eating already patterns. While teenagers and adults may be influenced by friends or societal trends. So, na-influensyahan na yung mga adults ng mga kanilang friends sa kung ano yung nakikita nila sa social media since lahat naman tayo um, alam naman yung Facebook, di ba? So, nakikita sa Facebook kung ano yung na-influence sa social media, yun din ang gusto nilang gayahin. And then economic factors. Income levels and food prices influence the affordability and accessibility of various food items. People na may mga limited incomes lang, yung eksakto lang talaga yung pera nila, is may select for cheaper or less nutritious foods. Ano yung dito sa picture nakikita ninyo? Yung mga afford lang nila, yung mga instant noodles, yung mga sardines, ganyan. Mga cheaper price yun. And then, less nutritious yan siya kasi bakit? Instant foods nga, di ba? Hindi masyadong nutritious. While those with higher income can afford a diverse and healthier diet. Just like dito yung sa baba na picture naman. Ito yung mga example ng mga food kung saan yung mga naglo-low carb diet. Ito, yung mga sample ng mga foods nila which is yung para talaga sa naglo-low carb o nagle-less sila ng rice or less ng mga carbohydrates. Kailangan nila just like ito. And next is psychological factors. Emotions, moods, stress, and personal attitudes can shape food habits. Some individuals may eat more when stressed. Sino sa inyo dito nag-stress eating? Sometimes, 'di ba, pag stress tayo masyado, kumakain lang tayo ng kumakain. Yun yung gusto nating gawin. Pero others may lose appetite during emotional distress. So, iba naman, may pagkain nga sa harapan, pero parang wala silang ganang kumain. Health and nutrition awareness. People who are informed about the nutritional value of foods are more likely to make healthier choices. Education campaign and health advisories can significantly influence dietary behaviors. So, kailangan tayo maging ah, ang mga tao na mga informed about ng nutritional values is more likely to make a healthier choices. And educational campaigns and health advisories can significantly influence also ang mga dietary behavior ng isang tao. Environmental factors naman. Availability of local foods, climate conditions, and geographical location affect food choices. Nag-affect din yung food choices when it comes sa geographical location. For example, coastal communities may consume more seafood. Yan, yung mga malapit sa dagat, more on ng mga kinukuha nila is yung mga isda. And then, ang while mountainous regions may rely on locally grown grains and vegetables. Ayan, kung sa farm ka naman malapit, mas madami namang mga fruits and vegetables na available sa lugar mo. Technological and media influence. Ito, alam ko madaming relate dito. Media advertisement, food trends, and online content can affect food preferences. The rise of social media has increased exposure to various cuisines and diet plan, influencing especially younger generations. Since we are on a technology-based, ngayon may mga Facebook na, and yung mga advertisement sa Facebook, kung ano yung nakikita natin doon, kung ano yung trending, kung ano yung uso, at kung ano yung masarap na pagkain sa isang restaurant, gusto din natin itong i-try. So, the rise of social media has increased exposure to various cuisines. So, kung ano yung nakikita, kung gaano kaganda yung Instagrammable ba yung picture sa isang restaurant, mas nakakaakit or nakakainganyo ng mga mga tao na pumunta doon sa isang restaurant na yun. So, at uso din yung selfie before eating, 'di ba? Katulad ng nandito sa picture. Bago nila talaga tikman ang pagkain, talagang dapat makapagpa-picture muna. Alam ko madami gumagawa nito sa inyo this time. And next is food habits are the result of a complex interplay of cultural, social, economic, and psychological and environmental factors. Understanding this influence is crucial for promoting healthy eating practices and addressing nutritional challenges within the community. Thank you for listening.